Bloodshed all over. Hear the noise of guns. Syncopated with bomb explosions. Demolitions, devastation and plundering of property. Ravaging, ruining and desolating nature. Human mass slaughter. Merciless annihilation. Or in the name of peacekeeping. Or in the mad search for weapons of mass destruction. Weapons of mass destruction are not in the crevices and dungeons of Iran and Iraq. Weapons of mass destruction are in the heart. Hatred is a weapon of mass destruction. For a spoon in the hand of an enemy is much deadly than a nuclear bomb in the hand of a friend. Power hungry is a weapon of mass destruction. Selfishness is a weapon of mass destruction. Tribal supremacy is a weapon of mass destruction. Racism is a weapon of mass destruction. Envy is a weapon of mass destruction. Grudges are weapons of mass destruction. Jealousy is a weapon of mass destruction. Neo-colonialism is a weapon of mass destruction. Imperialism is a weapon of mass destruction. Dictatorship is a weapon of mass destruction. Weapons of mass destruction are not made of metals and chemicals. Weapons of mass destruction are not harbored in the armory of a country somewhere. Weapons of mass destruction are in the heart. It is selfishness, racism, tribalism, envy, and grudges. Jealousy, power hungry, which made somebody design a bomb. It's not a bomb which causes somebody to hate. If you are against war, why are you against those who are against war? If you really want to stop war in Africa, why do you sell us firearms? Why signing the peace accords with the right hand while the left is holding a gun? Violence begets violence. Love begets love. Bloodshed begets brutality. Force begets cruelty. Ferocity begets fighting. Force begets resentment. You cannot correct a wrong by another wrong. You cannot stop war using war. You cannot dig another pit to fill another pit. An embrace begets adoration. Sow love and reap love.
Come into my heart. Come into my heart. Come into my heart. Come into my heart. Come into my heart.
We need devotion than bitterness. Affection than animosity, attachment than antagonism, adoration than antipathy, emancipation than emanciation. We are tired of freedom of doom, politics without principle, science without serenity, wealth without working for it, power without moral purpose, knowledge without wisdom, truth without love, love without truth, all coming from a heart without love, all coming from a heart without Christ. Lord Jesus, come into our hearts. Guard the avenues of the heart than the banks. Guard the avenues of the heart than boundaries and border posts. For the heart is the source of all evil and all good. Lord Jesus, come into our hearts. Lord Jesus, come into our hearts. This is a voice of concern. This is a voice of reason. This is a voice of love. This is a voice of restoration. This is a voice from a village preacher, a missionary of social and spiritual change, not a mercenary of doom, a prophet of hope, not a prophet of profit and doom. Lord Jesus, come into my heart.